Majesty's a pretty nice girl, but she doesn't have a lot to say. Majesty's a pretty nice girl, but she changes from day to day. Wanna tell her that I love her a lot, but I gotta get a belly full of wine. Majesty's a pretty nice girl, someday I'm gonna make her mine. Oh yeah, someday I'm gonna make her mine. Hey, I hope you're good. It's Chris here from Sixth Stream Fingerpicking. Today we're learning how to play Her Majesty by the Beatles. Paul McCartney wrote it, really. It's just 25 seconds long, but absolutely jam-packed. If you want to get yourself a copy of the tab, you can do down below, but let's just get right into the lesson. Okay, here we go. So that first chord that you hear is just a D chord, but put the A in the bass as well. Okay, and you just strum that once. And then you hang on to that for roughly a bar, and then you're in. So first off, the chords. There's lots of chords in this little song. That's starting on a D, and then we got some slash chords. So then it's going to be D with C sharp in the bass. So at the 4th fret on the 5th string, that's the second chord, and then it's D with B in the bass. So you're going to play the 2nd fret on the 5th string in the bass. I use my thumb, but we'll come to that in just a second, don't worry. I'll show you another way to play it because I know that's hard for a lot of people. And then it's to D/A, so 5th string opening, just like the first chord. Okay, so you might just want to practice that. Okay, that's what's going on there. So that D with B in the bass that I'm using my thumb for. Another way of playing it, you could go D like this, and then C sharp like that, and then you could use your 2nd finger on that 2nd fret on the 5th string, and then off. So instead of playing D like this, just play it like this, bar with the index, and then put your 3rd finger here. That's a perfectly fine way of doing it, and there's no excuse to not play it because of that awkward note there. Okay, so if you can't get your thumb round, play it like that. So anyway, on the D chord, what you're going to do, you're going to play strings 1, 2 and 4 together, and then there's lots of strumming going on. So after that we'll come down and we'll roughly strum the 2nd and the 3rd strings, and then up on the top 2 strings, so like that. So you pick 1, 2 and 4, strum down on strings 2 and 3, and then up on strings 1 and 2. So then that C sharp comes in. We play that, just that note, and then we strum up, down. Okay, on the top, roughly the top 2 strings. So that's just like that. So you've got like that. Like that. Okay, and then it's exactly the same in the picking hand for the next 2 chords. So we go to our D/B, play strings 1, 2 and 5. Okay, and then we do our strum on strings 2 and 3, then up on 1 and 2, and then open 5th string, and then again, just like before, we strum up, down on the top 2 strings. So that's. So slowly from this D here, you've played. So just practice that as much as you need to, round and round, okay? And then you've got E7 to A, it goes like that. So all I'm really holding down there is the 3rd fret on the 2nd string and the 1st fret on the 3rd string. They're really the only notes I'm playing on the top, and then of course the 6th string in the bass, but I'll probably hold down the 4th string, 2nd fret as well. That's what I'm holding down. Okay, and I'll play strings 2 and 6, then I'll strum strings 2 and 3, down, up, and that's all I'll do. And then I'll go to an A, and I'll bar it like this, and I'll play the 5th string, then I'll strum up, down. So that's like that. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So get to D, I'll hold down a D and play strings 2 and 4, and then the bass walks up. Open 5th string, 2nd fret on the 5th string, and then 4th fret on the 5th string. So it's just... Okay, so from the start of this, you've gone... like that. And then it goes back and you play it just like before, the D, then the C sharp in the bass, the B in the bass, and the D/A in the bass, exactly the same as before. And then it goes to the E7 just like before, but we stay on it for a whole bar, so you get like that. So there I'm holding down my E7, I play strings 2 and 6, and I strum down up on roughly strings 2 and 3, then the bass again, and then I'll strum up down. So 1, 2 and 3 and 4, that's the count. Okay, so like that, and then to our A, and we get like that. So we're barring that A because we're going to do some hammer-ons here. So with the A held down, I'll play strings 2 and 5. Then I'll strum down, up. Okay, really on strings 2, 3, and 4. You know. And then after that up strum, we're going to come and hammer on the 2nd string, the 3rd fret, and on the 4th string, the 4th fret. So you get. But exactly at the point that they come down, I'll also play the 5th string there. So when you hammer 3rd fret and the 4th fret there, play the bass, so like that, so, and then back off and strum up down, so like that. So E7, A, like that. Once more. So that's really the kind of the D section you've played from the start. You've got your D/A, and then E7, A, D. Back to the start, and then hang on the E7 for twice as long to A, and then you've got the wanna tell her that I love her, but I gotta get a belly full of wine. So that's B minor. Hold that down, play strings 2 and 5, and we strum down up. Okay, roughly again strings 2 and 3, and then the bass goes to the 6th string, 2nd fret, and then we strum up down. So it's just 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And then same thing, but on a B sus2. So just lift off your 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and that's it. And you do exactly the same thing in the picking hand. So you've just gone. Okay, then to a D7, just a normal D7. Hold that, strings 1 and 4. Then we strum down, and then up. Okay, so we're strumming down on strings 2 and 3, and up on 1 and 2. You don't have to be super accurate with the strumming, just that's basically what's going on though. And then bass, and then strum up down. So, yeah. Like that, and then to G. You just need the 3rd fret on the 6th string held down. Play that with the open 2nd string. We strum up down, down up, and then 2nd fret on the 5th string, and then strum up down. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, like that. So from the D7, that's it. And from the B minor, lots of nice chord movement going on, and then we get this. So what's going on here? We're sliding from the 3rd fret to the 5th fret on the 4th string. Okay, and then I'm also holding down the 5th fret on the 2nd string and the 3rd fret on the 3rd string. So we slide in. On the 4th string, 3 to 5. Okay, then we hold down these two. We strum down, and then up on the 2nd string, and then bass again, and then up, down. So, just like that. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, so G, and then like that. So from the B minor once more, you've played. And then for the last bit, you've got this lovely chord progression, which is D to B7 to E minor 7 to A7. Okay, so that's the chord progression. On the D, play the bass, and then strum. Then to your B7, play bass, and then strum up, down. So you got 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then E minor 7. So it's the E minor 7 where you just play E minor and then 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Okay, play strings 2 and 6, and then strum down. So it's just 1, 2, and then A7. Play the 5th string, and then strum up, down. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you've got D, B7, E minor 7, A7. Okay, and then back to D. You go through that. You go through that chord progression again. This time on the D, play strings 1, 2, and 4, and then strum down. Then we go to our B7, strum up. Okay, then bass, and then strum up, down. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Like that. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And then E minor 7, just like before. A7, just like before. And to end, go to your D, play strings 1, 2, and 4. And then 5th string in the bass. And that's it. So this last section here, you've gone. Got it. So all the way from the start you have played, you've got your D with A in the bass, and then Majesty's a pretty nice girl, but she doesn't have a lot to say. Majesty's a pretty nice girl, but she changes from day to day. Wanna tell her that I love her, but I gotta get a belly full of wine. Her Majesty's a pretty nice girl. Someday I'm gonna make her mine. Oh yeah, someday I'm gonna make her mine. Alright, well I hope that you enjoyed that. If you did, like, share, subscribe, and head over to sixstreamfingerpicking.com for hundreds more in-depth fingerpicking and fingerstyle guitar lessons and courses. See you next time.